What is up, everybody? I'm going to talk about this bus driver that beat the shit out of this black man on the bus. Now, the bus was empty. I think it was in Nebraska. His name is Troy Fisher. I think that's how you pronounce his last name. So, from my understanding, the guy kept asking him questions. I guess he said something, and the bus driver said, "What'd I tell you about asking questions?" Or whatever. The link is in the description, so you guys can check it out and let me know what you think. Now, my inside sources tell me that this brother was asking him who was better between Popeyes and KFC. He also wanted to know what time of the year watermelons be ready. You know what I'm saying? Niggas love watermelon and that chicken. That's what he was asking the bus driver. My inside sources told me, like I'm telling you, the bus driver was upset because this nigga kept asking him nigga questions. He got fucking frustrated. He got up and laid a smack down on this nigga. He beat this motherfucker up and dragged him smooth off of the bus and left that motherfucker in the middle of the street. He got up staggering and shit. But you know what's funny? This man did not lose his fucking job. Now everybody's gonna throw race into it. I understand. Because there was a bus driver that gave this bitch a Hadouken and he lost his fucking job. This man literally jumped on this nigga and beat him. I don't know if this motherfucker had some type of mental issue. He couldn't fight that. But he did the right thing. Just take that ass whooping. You sue the company. And then once you get paid, you hire some goons to run up to Troy's house and kill him and his family. That's just how it is. Nah, I'm fucking with you. Don't go do that shit. But it's fucked up. So y'all guys check out the link in the description and let me know what you think. Was he right? Was he wrong? Why did he do it? What did this black man really ask him? I really think he asked him about that chicken thing, though, in the watermelon. Maybe he asked for some great Kool-Aid. Holla at your boy. You ho, ho, ho.